Hello there everyone and welcome back guys. So today guys I want to share a short video with you on how I'm going to be using the Garage Therapy Zero DECON car soap as a wheel cleaner diluted 1:20. This dilution ratio I would be using on a weekly or up to 2 weeks kind of maintenance washes on my wheels. Works great on everything, rubber, plastic, clear coat of course. Very cost effective. I bought 5 liters of this stuff for 40 pounds. It will last me a very long time. I like to have a very strong product like this for the exterior, and I like to have one product which I can simply, dilute down or up the dilution ratio based on how dirty the vehicle is, not only on the wheels but also on the exterior part of the car. And you will notice how the product, even at these low dilution ratios, how it foams up and how slick it is underneath the brush. It rinses freely and it's very user friendly. It doesn't smell, has a nice like detergent smell to it, no nasty scent, so it's very user friendly. I like how it cleans the tires as well. It just leaves a nice satin finish. It removes the previous tire dressing, and the wheel wells also come out very good. It leaves like a nice sort of even look to them, so I found it kind of cool. I already mentioned it in my previous videos, but this is a very good solution for these particularly dirty areas like the wheels. And as you can see now, the clarity of the wheel has been restored. The tires look nice and are ready to be dressed again, and also the wheel well came out pretty tidy. So thank you everyone for watching guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video.